Why is this not working? There we go. Action. Hello everybody, welcome to another episode of Manchic TV. We're diving into another makeup video. This time I bring you an unboxing of the amazing Soli Pink Disco PR box from Trixie Cosmetics. Trixie, if you're seeing this, I love you. I've been watching your YouTube tutorials. I'm obsessed with you. You might see some similarities in the editing and how I'm like building my YouTube channel. So just want you to know that that's just pure admiration, and I feel like you and your team are doing great. And before we dive into it, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna be creating way more content. I have a series of Manchic Talks when I'm gonna be discussing my experience as a social media manager, content creator, from the time that I lived in New York City to now being in Dallas and working for the .gay domain. So make sure to subscribe. So, in all honesty, I already used this over the holidays, and I'm actually gonna be recreating a look that I did for New Year's Eve. You'll see it here. I'm gonna put it over here. I'm gonna try to recreate that look just using the palettes and all the context from the Trixie Cosmetics Soli Pink Disco. Hello, let's talk about the packaging. Look at this, how beautiful this is. I love it. You know, I'm a DJ, House of Manchic. Don't forget to follow on SoundCloud. You saw in my previous video, I'm obsessed with disco. That's how I got into makeup. I love glitter, I love disco balls. It's obvious that I needed to have this in my makeup kit. And I'm super excited because this is just gorgeous. The packaging, hello, look at this. Isn't it beautiful? I have some palettes. We have the Soli Pink Disco. There you go. Super cute. I love that it's built kind of like as a record. As a graphic designer, obviously packaging and branding is super important to me. So I'm obsessed with this. Look how beautiful this is. I mean, it's a disco ball. How could you not love this? So it comes with this like beautiful, super amazing pinky rose colors. There's some glitter in it, and I'm obsessed. Then we have the Disco After Dark palette. That is the one that I'm gonna be using for this tutorial. Trixie Cosmetics, you guys did an amazing job with this. I'm obsessed with it. Oh, and funny story is that I was watching your unboxing of the PR box with my husband, and then I went to order it for myself, and then my hubby also got it for me for Christmas. So now I have two Soli Pink Disco PR boxes. I thought about returning one, but I'm actually gonna give it to my mom because I'm gonna see her next week. I'm going to Mexico, so I think she's gonna really appreciate it. She loves makeup as well. She's always asking me to do her makeup, so I think it's gonna be a cute mom-son, you know, moment when I'm in Mexico to do her makeup with this. Maybe I'll do a video as well. Disco After Dark palette is the one that I'm gonna be using for this tutorial. I'm gonna try to use only the colors in here, so we'll see how it goes. They also have some highlighters, which I'm gonna be using this as well. We have another one that is more creamy. Some lashes. Like I mentioned in my last video, I'm still not ready for them, but maybe one of these days. And then some lip gloss. It's makeup time. Let's do it! Start prepping my skin for this makeup with a new product that I started adding to my grooming routine. Eye Armor Cream from Atwater. You'll see it over here. If you guys don't know about Atwater, Salgado, the former CEO of Kiehl's, launched his own brand, and he's a good friend of mine, just saying. So he sent me a few things, and I've been using this like non-stop. I love it. We're gonna start prepping my skin with this. So we're just gonna apply a little bit of the eye cream under my eyes, just like that. And there we go. That's just gonna help with the puffiness, with any of the, you know, dark circles. And it's gonna make our eyes pop even better. Then we're gonna do a little bit of the facial moisturizer. There we go. That also comes with a facial scrub that I previously used earlier in the shower, so to prep my skin so it looks cute and amazing. So we're gonna use the True Match L'Oreal foundation just to apply a little bit under the eyes to correct dark circles, and there you have it. 23 was a great year, and kind of like bittersweet at the end because I lost my job, like I mentioned on the last video. But I also did amazing, beautiful things. I went to Europe for the first time, and not only did I went to Europe, girl, I went to Europe because I went to the world famous music festival, Tomorrowland. I saw some of my favorite DJs. I was with my friends from all over the world. We had an amazing time. It was such an incredible experience, minus the rain, because nobody likes to be dancing on the rain, but not even the rain could rain or parade. So that was one of my highlights of 2023, going to Europe, spending the summer with my friends. Yeah. Okay, let's get into this makeup. We're gonna be using the Disco After Dark palette. So we have these like beautiful dark colors. I'm gonna apply a little bit of this like dark gray around here in the corners of my eye, kind of like to create a little highlight. Then we're gonna mix a little bit of the black. Then we're gonna add a little bit of this other color to add a little highlight of this. And then we're gonna finish it up with the glitter. So as you can see, I'm applying a little bit of the lighter color on the inner part of my eye to create some highlight. And that's how we're starting my makeup. So yeah, 2023, Tomorrowland in Belgium. On top of that, I was also able to attend Amsterdam Pride, and girl, let me tell you, that was amazing. Amsterdam Pride, you Dutch people can get it. It was super cool. I had such an incredible time. Another good thing about 2023 is that I collaborated with the Citizen M Hotel, and I was able to stay there for free for a few nights, and then I got an amazing discount rate as an influencer, you know, because she's influencing. So the influencing was influencing. I'm gonna apply a little bit of the darker gray. We have it in here. I'm gonna apply it over here, just kind of like blend it with the other one. Hope you guys can see. Blend it. Yeah. I think that looks good. What else happened in 2023? In 2023, I also lost my job, as you guys know. Still looking for a job, so if you have any leads on, you know, any content creator opportunities, social media manager, Trixie Cosmetics, if you're watching this and if you need some more content, let me know. We are ready to work. I'm excited to go back to Mexico next week. Gonna have a great time visiting my family. It's my dad's birthday. I haven't been with him for his birthday in a long time, so it's gonna be great. So I'm gonna fix this. My camera over here keeps going down because I have this tripod that is for a smaller camera, so I think the way is bringing it down. So I'm gonna fix this. I'm gonna fix this makeup, and then I'm gonna add a little bit of the black. We're gonna add a little bit of the black around here, and then a little bit more of the highlight over here, and then we're gonna finish it up with all the glitter. But I'm gonna do that off camera. So this is how we're looking. Next, we're gonna apply a little bit of the darker color just to kind of like a little, you know, more depthness to the makeup. Just want a little dash of black in there. We're just gonna blend it with the other. That's how we're looking. It's looking a little raccoony right now, but trust the process. It's gonna look cute. When I did it for New Year, you'll see the picture. I used my other palette, the Forever Revolution, which is one of my favorite ones. We're doing this on the go, people. We're improvising, but improvising looks good on me, and my camera is already going down again. This is ridiculous. Feel like we're gonna add a little bit more of the highlights in here, just a little bit on top of that black. The fun part is gonna come when we add the glittery aspects of it. 2023, a year of growth, year of great experiences, a year of traveling. I did like 5 prides. I did Portland Pride, New York Pride, Dallas Pride, Amsterdam Pride. I'm pretty sure I'm missing another one. I went to Yucatan, to Yucatan tourism. I had an incredible time in there. You know, being from Mexico and being able to experience this in real life in my country was mind-blowing. I've never been to that part of my country. The richness of the culture, the ecosystem, all those like historical facts about it just kind of like blew my mind. I'll put a few pictures of this. Took a bunch of video because at the time I still had a job, so I was like trying to create content for them as well. Let me know in the comments if you would like a travel blog of Yucatan tourism with all the things that you should know and all the things that you should do and visit if you're LGBTQ. Alright, let me fix the other camera. I'm gonna start applying the glitter on top of here, and then we're gonna finish with a little bit more glitter over here. And then we can talk about the future of this channel, all the things that I'm doing. She's becoming a LinkedIn celebrity. So, I mean, I'm just trying to do everything that I can to stay relevant, so that people can see my face, and just to show brands and you guys that this bitch wants to work. So, hire me. Oh, we're back. We added a little bit of glitter on the inside of my eye to create a little highlight. We're gonna finish up with adding a little bit more glitter because you can never have too much glitter. That's the motto in this channel, right? I'm gonna use bigger brush, kind of like on my temple. I'm doing this on the fly. It's kind of like inspired by the makeup that I did for New Year's. But this is a little different because I'm only using the products from the Soli Pink Disco from Trixie Cosmetics. And by the way, this is not a sponsor. I bought these things like I told you at the beginning of the video. I even bought 2, one that I bought myself and one that my husband got me for Christmas. So Trixie, come on girl. Give this girlie a job. She's looking for one. I think she has talent. For New Year's, I also added kind of like glitter under my eyes, and it looked pretty incredible. So we're gonna do that again. A few of you are gonna think that it's too much, but you know what? I like glitter. I think it's glamorous. It's that kind of a sparkle. Okay, we're back. We're gonna add the glitter under my eyes. Let's hope that this camera stays where it is. Doesn't go any further. I'm gonna use a super, fluffy brush. Just add a little touch, I don't wanna go full euphoria over here, although we're very euphoric. And then we're just gonna add a little bit more glitter over here. Bring it up to temples. What do you guys think? Super cute, right? Super cute. She cute. She cute. She cute. She cute. She cute. This is how we're looking. I'm gonna finish with Anastasia Beverly Hills Lash Mascara. Our setting spray. The only thing with this mascara, I think it's getting a little chunky. I don't know how to fix it. If anyone has any tips on how to fix the mascara, let me know, because, girl, Anastasia, what is this? What is this thing? Tell me, Anastasia, what is going on? What is going on, darling? working on like sending my resume everywhere and just kind of like having fun as well, you know, creating content. I did a super fun rendition of Modern Dance Floor as I get ready with me. Check it out in my shorts, it's super cute. Maybe I'll fix it a little bit off camera and then we'll do this at the end. So let me work on that. Well, looky that. What do you think? I mean, I'm giving you a full outfit, you know, sparkles, because we are serving New Year's Eve eleganza, extravaganza. This, I mean, you cannot tell me that this makeup is not flawless. Finish it up with the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray. I've used this in my previous video. There you go. Oh my god. I mean, let me tell you, I'm also going to sleep after this, so I'm gonna have to clean up my face and everything, but it was worth it. It was worth it for you guys. You guys are amazing. I'll continue to fight with this camera. Another thing that I just discovered is this lip balm from Million and Goats. My lips, for some reason, get super dry all the time. This really works with my lips, and I'm here for it. That was it, guys. Can you believe it? We did another makeup tutorial. I'm so excited to continue to create content, to continue to be here, to continue to share my journey as an influencer, as a content creator, as a social media marketing specialist, as a DJ, everything, you know. We're gonna continue working, we're gonna continue striving to get a job in 2024 and just enjoying life. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Let me know what you want to see in this channel. Let me know in the comments. Be nice and have a good time. Cheers. Love you. Bye. I actually do like this. I do like it. Loved it. Here we are. Yay. Cut.